Hello, I'm Jackie, and welcome to my channel, Jackie's Town. Today's video, we are going to do a budget-friendly hot cocoa bar. If you could help me out by hitting that subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it, and you will hopefully not be disappointed. All my videos are going to be geared to budget-friendly projects, DIYs, recycle, and hit that notification bell and you'll get notified the next time I load a video. Let's get right into it. From Dollar Tree, I got this snow blanket. And I'm using this blanket because my countertop has these little busy colors on here that will probably distract from the Christmas theme. I'm not going to cover the whole counter because when the kids do their hot chocolate, the last thing I want is my snow to look brown. So for the next step, I have these two styrofoam blocks. I already have this for probably over a year or so. And because this is temporary, I did not paint it. I still have the plastic on it. I can reuse this. And I put a Dollar Tree ribbon halfway around. I didn't do it all the way. That's going to go towards the back. I did 2 blocks. That's going to help me with some shelving. I have this piece of wood that I just had laying around. The only thing I did was put a Dollar Tree ribbon around there. Now, my cocoa bar, I don't want to be too busy with a lot of Christmas decorations, so a lot of it's just going to have ribbon. So this is the original color of the wood. And I wanted to stain it a little bit, so what I did was I used a Dollar Tree shoe color and shoe polish. And that's what I did. Simple as that. I'm going to adjust my shelving. The next thing I want to place on my cocoa bar, so I got this at a thrift store. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a placemat or some sort. I don't know what it is. But that's what the back looks like. So I bought 3 of them on Super Saturday. They were $1 and I got them for 50 cents. So I went ahead and painted one white. I got the paint from Walmart. Bright white, apple barrel. I painted it white and I did my lines here. I painted the lines burnt umber, and then I went ahead over it with a little sandpaper to give it a little weathered look. I did the same thing with the letters. I stenciled this on with the alphabet stencil I had, and I wanted to give it a little bit, weathered look. I bought this camper from Dollar Tree, and I left it just like that. I didn't touch it. I sprayed a little hairspray on the glitter so that the glitter's not falling off. Got this burlap from Dollar Tree. I already had the sprigs. I just hot glued some sprigs on there. I want to place this right here on my cocoa bar. And my cocoa bar theme is Santa Claus. Simply because I have little kids and I thought it would just be a fun idea to do a Santa cocoa bar. So I got the Santa mugs. I could not find these at the Dollar Tree. No Santa mugs that I really liked, so I did get these from Family Dollar. They were $2. I know years ago Family Dollar did have the Santa mugs, but they didn't have them this time. And then in front of my shelving, I'm going to place some toppers for your cocoa. Now I got these cups here from Dollar Tree also. It comes in a pack of 5. These are called water glasses with a little stem. Caramel bits. I've got some rainbow jimmies. We call them jimmies. Some people call them sprinkles. What do you guys call them? Are they jimmies or are they sprinkle for you? I got some chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips. Peppermint sticks I got from Dollar Tree. And I have some coconut flakes. I like coconut flakes in my cocoa. And because I didn't want a lot of decoration, like I said, I just placed a ribbon around all my water cups. This vase I had laying around, I made it see-through so the kids can see what they're grabbing. Again, just a simple ribbon around it. These are your stirrers. Chocolate covered pretzel with crushed peppermints. Same thing with the spoons. Dipped it in melted chocolate, let it set with some peppermint. I think the kids will like that. I'll place that right there. So the next thing is, I got this little caddy at a thrift store on a Super Saturday. Everything's 50% off on Super Saturday. I got this for $1. It's not about how much you spend, but about how much you save. I got these glasses from Dollar Tree. And to make them look like milk, the only thing I did was put a couple squirts of this white paint in there. Just a little tad of water. And I just rolled it around slowly until it got to the edge. And if you happen to go over, just wipe it with a little napkin. I'm going to place that right in my caddy. I have this little milk sign. It was already a milk sign before, but when I got it, I think it was 50 cents. Again, Super Saturday. I'm about saving. I didn't like the paint that was on there, so I just sanded it off and repainted it. And I did the handwriting myself. I know, not the best, but it's not the worst either. This here is a candle holder that I got from Michael's. Michael's grab bag used to be $2. Now they're $4, but I got this in a $2 grab bag. That bag had so many cool things. For it being a grab bag, I mean, I knew I was going to use this and I wasn't sure what for. It has a little nick, but you can't really tell. I'm going to put it towards the back. So I painted this again with this white. And then I took sandpaper and I lightly sanded some of the edges so I can give it the distress look. That's going to hold my treats. I am using my own plate from home to place these treats on here. I got some coffee cake and some chocolate chip cookies for my treat plate. I know my kids are not going to be mad at me. I got this cake plate from a local dollar store. It wasn't Dollar Tree. We have a dollar store around here called Dollar Zone. And this is what I was looking for. I couldn't find what I was looking for at Dollar Tree, so I went to a different local discount store. I just placed a little ribbon around it, a ribbon for the handle. I didn't like the plate for this here. I just wasn't feeling it, so I'm only using the top of my own plate, and that'll cover my goodies so they don't dry out. I got my own little cake plate from Free Store. In our community here, we have a little free store where people donate things and you can grab some things. And I noticed a lot of crafters like to go there and get all different kinds of glassware. So I picked this up. I liked it and I knew I was going to use it. I painted it white. Did the trim, just a little ribbon, a little berry there. I didn't want too much on there. So for the jars that are going to go on top of there, my aunt, we're having a yard sale, and at the end of the yard sale, they said, take whatever you want. And I saw these cute little glass. They had mixed fruit. They had a little sticker that said mixed fruit. And I knew I would use them, so painted the lids white. Here's my cocoa. Again, just a simple ribbon around it. And I think less is more. You don't have to go over the top with the decorations. That's some of my marshmallows. These here are peppermint candy puffs. They melt so fast. So if you want your hot chocolate to taste peppermint, drop one of these in there. And I wanted a napkin holder, but I couldn't really find anything that goes with my cocoa bar themes. I found this at Dollar Tree. It's just a little decoration stand. So what I did was got some craft sticks from the dollar store and just hot glued it, banded it out so it would hold my napkins good. Now that's not 100% sturdy. I wouldn't allow the kids to sit there and be rough with it like my boys would probably break it in a second. But it does the job. I got this little decoration. This is a Santa sensor from Dollar Tree. I will be turning that off because once my boys know that this hot cocoa bar is up, they will be blowing Santa up. Sometimes there is such a thing as too much of a good thing, if you know what I mean. I got a little Christmas tree. I got this from Five Below. It was only $1, but I didn't see the one I liked at Dollar Tree. And what's a tree without a few gifts? Got these little gift boxes from Dollar Tree. Every tree needs some gifts around it. And my little pickup truck. when my boys see this hot cocoa bar, they are going to go crazy. And you know, for me, I don't think it's too much, but it's just enough. And I do believe that Santa will stop here. I got these tags from, I think it was Family Dollar, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember. It's kind of too big for, I don't want to cover Santa up. So let me know what you think of my little cocoa bar. It's not too much, it's not over the top, I don't think. It's cute. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be doing a video once a week, maybe twice. I have a lot of Christmas videos that I would like to post. They will be coming up shortly. My next video will be a DIY Dollar Tree nativity. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of my little cocoa bar. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I load a video. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate you. Come again.